go again. This is Tyron with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing. What I want to address today in today's video is, do you charge the full cost even though the vehicle doesn't get the full detailing? So my packages are all packages that are detailed for inside and outside. I don't have any separate detailed packages, so when I come out to vehicles, I just do the job and I charge them that price. Sometimes on slow days or days that aren't as busier, I can actually play with my prices, where if somebody wants just the inside or the outside as a request, then I would do that for them, and I would just maybe cut the price in half. Or even if it's like more of a shampoo as opposed to just a basic cleaning, I would maybe cut the price maybe 70 to 70% of my normal cost. So I'm only cutting out 30%. So in that case, I'm still coming out pretty good. I'm doing less work and I'm still satisfying what they need to be done and charging them less. So when you're packaging your detailing services, make sure you keep in mind that some customers are only going to want the inside, are only going to want the outside, but it's up to you to decide to charge what you can. And that brings me into my whole point of, with a detailing service, when you don't charge by the hour, you are able to give yourself opportunity to make more money. You're not limiting yourself to a certain cost per hour. So that's a good point when you're pricing and setting up your packages for your detailing business. You want to make sure that you're able to make other costs, opportunity costs, by adding upsells, by adding on to your income. And by the hour can possibly be one of the ways of limiting your potential income possibility. So this is another video with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing, where we go together, and check us out for more content.